Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pair your AirPods with your Apple Watch Series 6, and this method works with all AirPods. So to get started, what we do is swipe up from the bottom of the watch face. This takes us to the control center. Swipe all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the AirDrop button here. Just press that. The next window comes up and we want to go to connect a device. This takes us to the Bluetooth settings, and as you can see it's searching for a device. If we scroll down just a little bit, we can turn Bluetooth off and on here, and if you can't find your device, it's worth turning off and on again. So let's try and pair with our AirPods now. We have a button at the back which puts it into discoverable mode, so I'm going to flip the lid and press that button. I'm pressing and holding. You can see the light is flashing white on the case, and we're just waiting for the watch to discover the AirPods now. So we'll just give this a couple of seconds. If it doesn't find it, I'll turn Bluetooth off, turn it on, and we'll try again. So I think that's enough time. Let's scroll down a little bit, turn Bluetooth off, turn Bluetooth back on, and you can see it's searching. We'll flip this lid, press the button. It's discoverable mode, and as you can see, the watch has now found the AirPods. So I'll just pop these down gently and go across to the watch. It says not paired, press that button and it says connected. Now when it's all said and done and I've had enough listening to music from the watch on the AirPods, I can press the I button here and I can disconnect the device, or I can forget the device altogether. So hopefully that's helped you out. If it has, really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.